Today in this online class, we discussed about the paste special. Last classes we discussed about Excel setting, how can change the setting of the default setting of the Excel applications. And today we start the home menu. And today we discussed about the copy and paste special. For the starting the classes,
Okay,
Mr. Virendra, have any problem and doubt for from the last classes?
Yeah, about default setting and also advanced setting. Yes, yeah, there is no any doubt, and I tried to after your class, and yeah, I learned something new
Okay.
about setting.
Okay. So we have started today a home menu, and this is the clipboard. Clipboard is our topic.
Mm,
So generally we have
mm,
copy and paste every day and paste special also. But some new feature and
mm.
some new tricks available in the paste and paste special. Today we will discuss about that. So first create the one sample data because a small data will be result will be clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. And we have created a custom list. We have drag down and see the result. Yeah, right. And we have applied the RAN between formula. Note here, RAN between formula is the random and sample data for. You can want to the random data, want to the sample data, just like OTP type. You can use the RAN between formula. And in my class, we mostly use the RAN between like creating the new sample data.
Okay.
Okay. And this formula have one of features. Okay, when the change any made any change in the Excel sheet, formula will be change the result every time. It's like double click on
Yes,
the
sir.
sheet,
Yes,
paste the
sir.
enter, your result will be changed.
Yes, sir. Even we put yeah cursor in another cell and enter without any data, random data automatically will change.
Yeah, right.
It is
And
right.
between
Yes,
the start number,
yes,
this is
sir.
the AND number, and you can get the
Yes.
value from 10 to 90, any value, no pattern. You can identify just like if you made the online transactions and you get the OTP, just like OTP, one time password type.
Mm,
So we have select the data and copy and paste to another location, right?
right.
Simply copy and paste. But we have the one
Mm,
feature, the paste special. In the paste special, have the facility you can choose the only for one any options from the paste, because when the copy and control C and control V, same data will be paste, but I want some part of the data. That time we use the paste special. So if you select the all,
oh,
it's like normal copy and paste, but I want to
mm,
paste only for formula. So paste special, select the formula and paste it. But some people ask me, Ki here is puja. Puja is not a formula, this is the value. So why paste the puja? Because paste as a
mm,
formula, it means ki which data have a visible on the formula bar will be pasted. Right? If you have the value,
right.
so if you value, then paste the value. If you formula, then paste the formula at it. Remove the any all type of the formats. But I want to paste as a form value, removing the formula. I don't want to the formula, and I want to paste here, remove the formula.
Okay. Only there will show only data. There will not show any formula.
Any formula, any formatting, only for form of value. So we
Okay.
use the paste special, and paste as a value,
Well,
right?
right.
But if you want to change the format, change the you want to change the formula, I want to change the, sorry, not a change, I want to remove the formula. Here is the formula and I want to remove the formula. A paste as a value, copy to another location, and will we get the remove the formula I get only for value, and formula will be removed. But I want to remove the
Yes.
formula in the same location. I don't want to copy to another location for the removing formula. I want to remove the formula is here. So copy the your value, right click, paste specials,
Yes.
and paste as a value. So where the copied and same location will be pasted, your formula will be removed. And this feature is
Yes,
the
sir.
very important feature. Why? Just give you one example. In the office, you have make the report from your data, just like dashboards and very complicated reports, right?
Yeah.
And do you want to save the report for another person, and your formula this is just like this report, and this report linked by formula, linked by our data via formula. This type of the formula, check it. So if you send this report to any another persons, I send this report to another person, and then that time we require the data, because if you not remove the formula, that time need to data, right? So, but I
Right,
don't
right,
want
right.
to send the data because the security persons, yeah, your file will be large if you include the data.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I want to send only for the reports, and every link, every formula link will be break. I want to remove the formula. So how can? So right click on the sheet, and here is the move and copy, and select the create copy, and here choose the new workbook. So this file, this sheet with all formatting and all formula, copy to another location, edit it, right? But formula
Right, right.
will be included. A problem here this is the simple report, but I have the also complicated report and 100,000 different location of the formula. So copy and paste, copy and paste one by one. This is a critical job. So here the A, column A, and here this is the one column. Here is the rectangle. Click here, and after the clicking, select the entire sheet. This if you click this rectangle, you select that. You can select this entire sheet and copy, same copy and same paste here. Paste special, paste as a value. Your every formula will be removed. See here, removed, removed, and now you save the file and send the email. So this is the very important part. So we use the paste as a value. Now I want to paste only for format. You can also copy and paste a special. The format, paste the format. Only for format. And if you have data as the comment. Do you know what is a comment?
Comment.
If you want to add the any additional information of the cell, just like I want to here select enter the one line comment here.
Yes, yes.
You can
yes, I know.
right click and
I know.
click insert comment, and you
Insert
have type the message. This is final amount, right? And this comment will be hidden when your mouse pointer drag over the cell, then will be shown. So I want to paste only for comment. So copy the data and right click, paste special, and here is the select the comments. No any formatting, no any value, no formula, only for just paste the comments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now, if you make the one reports and every person will be want to our report fit in the one page printout and fit in the one windows. So I have clicked the double click on this column and fit the simple say I have changed the column width size according to your data and according to your printout. But if you copy to paste another any locations, your column width never pastes, right?
Hmm.
But I want to the paste the
Right.
column width because this is the simple data. This is the small and simple data. But if you paste the one report, just like last example I give you, reports. That time we have the 200, 400 columns, and every column again every column you fitting and column width for the printing the one page and also save as a PDF in the one page. So I want to copy here column width and paste here. So right click, click on the paste spatial, click on the here column width and OK.
Column.
Remember, if you paste as a column width paste only for column width, not a data. Now if you want to data, again paste the normal. And if you use the Excel 2016, 13, 19, then we have the icons for the paste spatial, right? And here is the icon. This is the icon. Keep column sheets width. Sorry, keep source column width. If you click here, then paste as a value also. So you paste your data also and paste your column width also. It is clear?
Yes, yes, it is clear, sir.
And now, if you have copy your data and you want to paste, but data have a
Uh,
date and
excuse
time
me, sir.
format.
Excuse me, sir. Please give me permission for record.
Hello?
Hello, Sujit sir. Yeah, please give me permission for recording.
Okay, okay. I have I can also record. So
Uh,
search the Excel 24
hmm,
and get the record.
okay. Okay.
So see here. If you copy your date and paste as a value, then date convert to one number. Do you want to? What is this number?
Hmm, I don't know.
This number is the number of days from the starting of the computer calendar. And when they start the computer calendar,
Oh,
the first Jan 1900, the
first
first date of the computer.
1900.
You can
Okay.
check your computer calendar. It means you have entered the date earlier of the 1 Jan 1900. Just like
Hmm.
that, this is not a date. This is the text. You cannot calculate on this date. Okay.
Okay.
So you can, if you prove that this is the, if you type here like 5, then check here 5 Jan 1900. You have typed the 368. Then because this is the year change. Same, you have typed
Hmm.
43647. Then date will be 7 July 2019.
Hmm.
So this is the
2009.
number of date. But question is that the programmer, why we create this type of the facility? Why not simple facility? Simple action the date. When the paste, when the you type the number will be convert in the number of days. If you type here just like I have typed your date here, today date, after the pasting enter, this is the convert to number of days and store as a number of days. Right? And when you
Yes.
apply the date format, again convert to the number to date format.
Number date format.
So problem is that in the Excel special rule, if you add any text in the in the number, you can't make any calculation in this cell. But if you enter the date, there's a simple text, simple typing method, just like Word and PowerPoint. We have enter the date, normally enter the date. So that time you can not calculate, but in the Excel you can calculate your date. I have plus the 20 and get the result. So this calculation in the Excel made the calculation in the original value, not a visual value. The date is the visual value. Original value is the 43647.
Yes, sir.
When the apply the date format, the visual the 1 July 2019, but actually is the number 43647. So make the calculation on the 43647 and give the result also the number. But we have applied the date format. So date format will be convert to date. But actually store the number, because in the Excel change you can change the formatting, only change the visual, not the original. If you apply any type of the format, we have changed only for visuality, not originality. Okay, so when the copy and paste as a value and paste as a value have instruct, we removed all the format. So date also format, so paste as a value, remove your format. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so I want to paste and I want to value features and also date features. We have combined, because I am after the pasting I don't want to change the date format, because we have the also received the date format as a customized format, customized date format. I do not able to apply this customized format. So I want to paste as a value and also paste as a number format. That time we have go to the paste special. In the paste special we have the formula as a number format and values in number format. Values and number format. Select here and paste here. That time you have remove the all formats, but number format is like date, time, currency, decimals, percentage will be keep in this feature. And remove the any type the formula, remove the any type the formatting, just like color, just like border, just like comment, everything here. So Mr. Dhurandhar, any doubts?
Yes, no doubts.
Okay. Now also one features, if we have the right here 20 and we have the right here 30, when the copy your data 20 and paste on the 30, so 20 replaced by 30, right? But if you apply the paste special, in the paste special we have the operational. Default select the none, but if you change the none to add, that time here is the copy and paste will be added. So 20 and 30 will be add and result will be here, paste here. So in the paste special, we have select any type of the mathematical calculations like add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and that feature calculate between copied area and paste area. Copied cell to paste cell. And result will be paste. Okay.
Okay.
But problem is that what is the benefit in the office? That and this is the your project, so please research these features and create the 1 and 2 the official example. Create the example, and this example may be help in your official work.
Okay, sir. Okay.